for me, it's good, no, na after being mom for weeks on the tirades of the vice president, it's really good, no, and it sets an image din for the office of the president na talagang kumbaga they can hold their own. It's a good move, no, and at the same time, an attack on the president is basically an attack on the Filipino people. So with President Marcos standing his ground, it's a good way of showing leadership at talagang at least mabibigyan ng kumpiyansa ang mga Pilipino na meron silang presidenteng naninindigan talaga.
Okay.
'Di ba? So it's a good move. Tawag dito, and it's about time na talaga, no, for the president to respond kasi we cannot let these issues hound the country.
Iba na tong sinasabi kasi.
At lalo na kung mga kung death threats na yung binibigay, no. So it's something talaga na the president should have done way before, pero better late than never nga naman. And that on the side naman din of the vice president, no. Tawag dito, parang enough na siguro sa mga gantong theatrics, gantong pronunciation. Let's roll with the legal proceedings, no? And ito in lead of legal legislation din naman to. So talagang sundin na lang natin, no? Huwag na tayong gumawa pa ng ibang ingay. Huwag na nating ilihis pa ang narrative, ang usapan. Para ma-pinpoint. Kasi ito for the benefit of everyone din naman to. Unless nga, kung may tinatago sila, kung may wrongdoing talaga. I mean, ganun talaga yung mangyayari. Pero if what the Vice President is saying, no, na talaga walang wrongdoing na nangyari at pinapersecute lang sila, then let's go with the flow. Di ba?